So keep watching the video. It's super cool. It actually works. So
hey little forest friends, today I'm going to show you a cooking fever hack for iPhone and Android. So this works on all devices. So as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu I can turn on free gems. So I just turned it on. So let's see if the gems go up. So as you can see, these are the values right now. It's really bad, but hopefully we found a rise. So let's see if it rises up on the game, and then we're gonna be good to go. So no rise. Oh wait, there it is. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get cooking fever hack for iPhone and Android, just like this. It's super cool. So let me show you how to do it. And I want to mention this is fully approved, so you can do it today and tomorrow. So I don't care who you are, but it's gonna work for all you guys. So let's get into the video. So the first thing we're gonna do is gonna go onto this tweakmod.com. Alright, so this is the website, guys. So in the search bar, just type Cooking Fever. There's a bunch of these games, but obviously we want Cooking Fever hacks. So anyway, now we're gonna go ahead and press download. It's gonna start downloading it, so we're just gonna wait for it to load up here. As you can see, so super cool, guys, as you can see. So yeah, it's gonna load right now. So literally just gotta download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions, and then you'll have the Cooking Fever hack for your device. So yeah, it's super cool. So yeah, let's just let it load. So as you can see, it says missing files, so I just gotta download like 2 of these apps, like Family Island, Underdog. It says down and run for 30 seconds. So Family Island, so just do 2 of these, you're good to go. It doesn't really matter, just make sure you follow the rules.